Ayun guys, oh, ang daming parrotfish dito sa islands. Ito yung view. Ito yung bluefish, yan, mga parrotfish, saka yung black. Mayroon pinakamalaki, oh, na black. So, ayan, Loti. Hello. Ayan, pakitang gilas pa siya. Hello. Oh. Diba? Gaganda, parang sa swimming pool, sa kwan lang siya. Fish pond. So, ayan yung view. Hey, Loti, look. Loti, there's a lot of fish here. There is a big fish here over there. See? There's more. So, ayan, parrotfish. Did you see the fish na? Hmm? So cute nila. Lumapit sila eh. Ang dami nila. Gaganda. Ang ganda yung tingnan, oh. Gaganda ang mga color nyo. So, dito lang yan sa guys, ha. Coney Islands. There's a lot of parrotfish here. Yan. So, ayan. Tapos may boat doon. So, ayan. Nice and relaxing. Here at the island, there's a lot of fry fish. Look, look. Loti! Loti! Swimming si Loti. Nag-enjoy siya sa clear water. Wala na sila. Yung mga isda na lumapit. Nakakatuwa tingnan. So lang guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe na. Tekla and Loti.